Hello everybody, Shelly here. I have this like kind of 80s hair thing going on. It's kind of fun. Kind of fun to do a little bit of a throwback hair curl day. You know, it's funny because I don't usually dry my hair when I, have a curly hair day. And I went back to my old diffuser, if you know what I'm talking about. It has like a big round thing on the hairdryer, and just kind of use that to generate some curl. And I don't know if it was the combination of hair products or the diffuser or whatever else, but it's kind of fun. Kind of different, especially for a no glasses kind of day. Okay, because now we're not talking about hair today. We're actually talking about Ipsy. This is the second time I've picked up one of these Ipsy Glam Bag Pluses. I don't get the Ultimate. I did get one of the Ipsy base bags, and it had a bunch of samples in it, and I don't really need samples because I feel like it's never quite enough. But this is the Glam Bag Plus. This is the second month I've gotten a Glam Bag Plus. And we're gonna go through it and we're gonna determine whether or not this is something I should continue purchasing. Now, this bag is, I believe, $25. Yeah, so there's a Glam Bag Plus, and a Glam Bag Ultimate. It says for the Glam Bag, get the Glam Bag and receive 5 deluxe samples every month for $12. It's just not enough. I don't need any more samples. I really don't need anything, truth be told, but I kind of wanted to see if there would be a good replacement for, say, BoxyCharm, and I think they're more on the lines of a Birchbox than they are a BoxyCharm. Okay, the Glam Bag Plus, which is what we're going to look at right now, is, I think it's $25. Does it say? Mine doesn't say, but I think it's $25 for the Glam Bag Plus, and then the Glam Bag Ultimate says receive 12 beauty products every month for just $50. So I don't know if that's $50 a full size, or if you get a combination and you get some in here. When I scroll through the list, I see some things that I've tried before, some that I'm familiar with. Touch and Soul, Perlice, Moda brushes. You know, some of those are really good. And then there's some in here that I've never heard of before. La Muse, Georgette, something or other. There's some that we've seen on our BoxyCharm boxes. Zoeva, Kaja, Nude Sticks. I feel like we've seen those before. This video is, we're just going to be reviewing the September Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. It's a $25 bag subscription service. And let's just see what we have in here. First thing in here is a card. It says Good Vibes. This month, radiate positivity from trying a bold new hairstyle to finding the perfect fall lip color. When you embrace the season of change with an I got this attitude, the results will be out of sight. Big words. Okay, let's look here. 3 ways to up your Ipsy IQ. Then this one says better together. When it comes to bringing out your glowiest self, a little teamwork can make the dream work. Sunscreen plus antioxidant serum, cream blush plus powder blush, exfoliator plus hydrating mask, liquid highlighter, and foundation. So nothing in here tells me what I'm getting in my bag. It's just kind of like helpful tips and tricks. All right, so the first thing in here I got is a Don't Hate Hydrate Replenishing Hair Mask. This is from Foxy Bay. So I think this was a choice item. I feel like there's several items in here that you get to choose every month. And out of the few, this seemed like it would be the most interesting because I think at the time I was feeling very parched with my hair. So I have not tried this yet. I've never even heard of Foxy Bay before, and I don't know what the MSRP on is, but I might as well take a look here. Okay, so the thing I do like about it is you actually know what you're getting. It's not just like a whole big surprise. Sometimes with BoxyCharm, it's like they have so many different variations that when I watch other people's videos, I go, oh, well, I'll never get that. And now I'm just mad that I didn't get that. Okay, but this Foxy Bay set of 8 hair masks, $28.95 for a set of 8 hair masks. The next item on here is the Star Skin Close-Up Coconut Biocellulose Skin. So there is a Close-Up Coconut Biocellulose Second Skin Firming Mask and a Glow Star Foaming Heel Puff Set. I've never heard of Star Skin before. This is not a brand I'm familiar with. 2 count full size MSRP is $17.25. Okay, the next thing on here is the Context Skin Vitamin C All Day Eye Cream. I like eye creams. I like eye creams a lot. MSRP on this is $24.50. This is a full size. Again, I've never heard of Context Beauty before. I did not pick the masks, the face masks. I did not pick the Context Skin Eye Cream. I did pick the Foxy Bay Replenishing Hair Mask. I also picked the Ofra Cosmetics Lip Gloss. I also picked the Air Repair Skincare Eye Cream. I think I've seen this before in various samples. The Ofra Lip Gloss. As much as I love Jen Love's reviews, I didn't pick up her set. And I have never tried any Ofra products before, but I've at least heard of them. So with this one, it's a very, very clear gloss. I don't really smell much. Very, very slight, maybe vanilla scent. And then I had one more add-on item. This was the Ofra. This is another lip gloss here. Nice to see some Ofra products. This one's maybe slightly more brown tone, but still a clear gloss with not much more to it than that. Let me look at the prices here. Okay, so the Ofra Cosmetics Natural Lip Gloss. Again, the item I chose, one of the items I chose in here is $15. The Air Repair Skincare Hydrating Eye Cream is $24.50. So my total $25 bag gave me $110.20 of these products. Again, I ended up with 2 eye creams, and then the last lip gloss that I used I got as an add-on because frankly I just didn't find a whole lot that I liked. Is this the one? Yeah, this is the add-on lip gloss, and it says it's a truffle lip gloss. And again, the MSRP on this is $15. So I don't remember, what did I pay for it as an add-on? It wouldn't have been much. All right, you guys, I looked all through my order history for Ipsy and I could not find an email confirmation. I could not find it in my order history. I could not find it as part of the bag, the monthly subscription, the billing. Nothing actually indicates to me how much I paid for the Ofra lip gloss. I've heard good things about it. I'm sure I didn't pay the full MSRP, $15 for it. I want to think it was maybe $6. I'm not really sure. So anyway, it was a bargain to get it, to try this. This is the only thing I was like really curious about and really wanted to try was the Ofra lip glosses because I have not yet. And I've heard fantastic things about them. So I was excited to try that. That's probably the most exciting thing out of this Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. The eye creams, both of them, I don't know. This one I've used before. I think I've tried this one before, but I don't really recall anything about it. It didn't strike me as being particularly amazing, I guess. Context Beauty, I've never heard of. Starskin, I've never heard of. Foxy Bay, I've never heard of. So I guess if you're looking for a bag where you can try products for brands that you've never heard of and maybe find things that'll end up being your new best favorite. Okay, when I look at the other items that were available, I'm seeing more brands that I've heard of before, like Huda Beauty, ColourPop, you know, just Wander Beauty. There's different products in there that I've heard from different brands. I just happen to not get any of them. I mean, I chose the Ofra lip glosses. But that's about it. So $25 for this. I mean, I ended up getting skincare and 2 lip glosses. And one of them was an add-on, so I can't even count that. It says foaming too, so I don't know if I'm just gonna gank up the whole thing by, oh, it's in a different peeling liquid and a puff. It'll be a skincare masking kind of day, I guess. All right, you guys, I don't have much more to say about this. I'm sort of underwhelmed, I think. I'm a little bit unimpressed. I pay for this with my own money. I don't get anything in PR. I don't get any of it for free. They don't send me this. I actually paid this because I wanted to compare them to BoxyCharm and just see how I feel about it. And I gotta tell you, for the price and the quality of the products and the value of the products and the things that I think fits me better, I think I'm gonna stick with Boxy. I think I'm gonna cancel this. You guys have to let me know. What do you guys think about Ipsy? Have you ever tried it? Do you like it? What did you like about it? What did you not like about it? If you were on it and you got off of it, I would love to know why. So leave me a comment down below. Feel free to subscribe. If you'd like subscription unboxes, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. Give this video a like if you feel so inclined. I didn't even really, I mean, I guess I could try on the lip gloss, but I didn't even get any makeup to try on. If you guys want to know what's on my eyes right now, the Dose of Colors Baked Browns, and I started using this Essence Melted Chrome. This is a warm bronze shimmer eyeshadow. These two together, I think, make a really, really pretty fall neutral look. And I like it. This is kind of like one of my go-to favorite looks these days, I think, is going to be with this. Actually, if you guys are interested in a video of like favorite fall palettes or what I'm currently using right now, if you wanted to know kind of what my favorites are right now, just leave me a comment down below. Follow me over on Instagram if you're interested. And otherwise, hope you guys are doing well and the coronavirus is passing us by. It's like the smoke is passing us by. I hope everything turns out okay going into fall. I hope your kids are adjusting. Maybe even you're able to go back to school. I hear about schools opening up and letting kids back in. We're not quite there yet, but maybe it'll happen one of these days. Hope you guys are doing really well. Thank you so much for watching, and until my next video, bye for now.